5, 6, 7, 8.
Have roots, just like my last name. I swear I'll never bring it shame. Yeah, these old boots have roots. When the winds are bitter cold, I know this love of ours will hold. These old boots have roots. So I march to the beat of my heart pounding like a drum. Let 'em run me down, but I'll stand my ground. Oh, I won't forsake, won't forget where I come from. I swear I'll never break your heart, only wanna make you smile. These old boots want nothing more than to walk you down the aisle. These old boots have roots. Yeah, these old boots have roots. They told her, Mark, walk the line. Girl, only you can make them shine. Yeah, these old boots have roots. They're tested, tried and true, walking side by side by you. These old boots have roots. So I march to the beat of my heart pounding like a drum. Let 'em run me down, but I'll stand my ground. Oh, I won't forsake, won't forget where I come from. I swear I'll never break your heart, only wanna make you smile. These old boots want nothing more than to walk you down the aisle. These old boots have roots. Yeah, these old boots have roots. They haul a heavy load down along a winding road. Yeah, these old boots have roots. Strong as a live oak tree, someday you can bury me in these old boots. So I march to the beat of my heart pounding like a drum. Let 'em run me down, but I'll stand my ground. Though I won't forsake, won't forget where I come from. I swear I'll never break your heart, only wanna make you smile. These old boots want nothing more than to walk you down the aisle. I'll never bend for a drink, God knows I'll never trade a man for some shallow-hearted soul bouncing back and forth again. Yeah, these old boots have roots. Yeah, these old boots have roots. Baby, these old boots have roots.
This dance is called These Old Boots, choreographed by Rob Fowler. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, grapevine to the right, side behind, side touch, grapevine to the left, side behind, side touch. Section 2, heel digs forward, right tap, tap, right toe tap, twice back, tap, tap. Step forward with the right, pivot quarter to the left, stomp your right, stomp your left. Section 3, K-step with claps, to the diagonal, clap, back, clap, to the back diagonal, touch, forward, brush. Section 4, walk forward, right, kick back, left, touch. That's the whole dance. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.